Happy Sunday, YouTube. It is your girl Brinks. Welcome back to another cooking video. So today we are going to do some chicken and shrimp high protein pasta. So I've started my chicken without y'all. My apologies, y'all. But this is the chicken cooking on the stove. So I mixed my olive oil with kicking chicken, honey garlic salt, onion powder, and then my garlic powder is missing. But garlic powder was also in this. And then slap your mama. And we have some protein angel hair pasta. That's what I mixed my chicken in with, and then with the olive oil, y'all. And now it is on cooking. I have my water going for the pasta. Now my sauce is going to be a little bit different, y'all. I'm going back and forth between making my homemade sauce with the heavy whipping cream or using chicken broth and going for like a scampi. I know the scampi will probably be a lot more healthier, but it's just a matter of if I have some chicken broth or not, and if I do, if it's enough. Let's see. Because I did not take inventory before I purchased the groceries. So I do have some chicken broth in here. It's quite a bit. And then I have 2 small cartons of heavy whipping cream. So I'm going to try to figure out what sauce to make, y'all. I know it is going to have spinach and some cherry tomatoes in it, for sure. And bacon bits. And that is going to be my sauce for the pasta. Just a matter of if it's going to be the lighter portion or if it's going to be the heavy whipping cream towards a more Alfredo approach. But I'm going to think about it some more because I still have to finish the chicken and then cut it up as well. So we'll see how it goes. I'll be right back, y'all. Alright, y'all, my apologies. So my phone ran out of storage space. So it did not record the rest of this recipe. But this is what my final result is looking like. I did wind up just using the chicken broth and make a scampi sauce rather than the heavy Alfredo version. Because I felt like the lighter was what I was going for. But this is the finished result. So I did cut up the chicken. And then I mixed in some Parmesan and mozzarella with my sauce. And then that was the final result. And then I am making up a plate right now. And I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit more Parmesan on the top. And then add some, I'm supposed to put bacon bits in this, y'all. Whoops. Add some special effects on the top with the garnish for picturesque views. And I'll be right back.